So here's how to use the Animal Bingo. So you'll be asked to make a copy when you click on the link. And then this will open up into the spreadsheet. So it's already copied for you. The first tab here is all the start here, getting started instructions. And then I just want to show you how the bingo cards work here. So you'll see up the top, we've got generate 10 new bingo cards. So you'll hit the button and then there's a running script at the top. And if this is your first time doing this, we're going to have to allow macros to run. So this is what will happen. You'll get this box to authorize it, click on OK, and now choose the account that you are logging into, and then log into that Google account. And then you just want to allow the recorded macros, and this is just going to allow that bingo card to refresh. So scroll to the bottom and click on allow. Okay, and now we can generate the cards. So you'll see the letter A in the hedgehog, and then you'll see that the cards shuffle around. So now you can see that we've shuffled the cards, and you can do that to shuffle 10 new cards every time, and then just print out the cards that you want. And you can print as many as you want to. And here you can see the bingo markers if you want to use those. And then we've got the calling cards as well. So hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.